Today, we uncover the secret life of tacos. Are they just food, or are they a divine gift from the gods? El Loco. Or maybe a conspiracy created by the government to keep us happy?
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me with a mind to rhyme and too high feet to feel good. When you know you're down, a super dope homeboy from the old town and unknown as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know, can't touch this. Look at my eyes, man, can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and pants, you gotta like that so you know you wanna dance. Move out of your seat and get a fly girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit, let them know what's going on like that.